not used in it. Will be used in this class, right? Save it. Right. Save. You see the alignment now. Everything is good. Right. So for this you can, because these are not aligned, we can put another table inside this TD, but that will be very much complex, so we are not using that, right? One thing very important, here we don't see any star, anything highlighting these fields, that which field is mandatory, okay? Because if I see red star here, it means this field is mandatory. So let's say first name is mandatory, password is mandatory, and your message is mandatory. Only 3 fields. So what I do is, I put another TD over there, TD, and I put star and close the TD. Okay. First name, then password. After the password, I put the TD, and star and TD, and last thing is your message. Message should be TD, star and TD. Now let's see the output. 5, save. Output is this. Okay. Now this is a problem because it is I have to write call span is equal to 2. So it will take two columns. Because here we see 3 TDs, here we see 2 TDs. So that is why this last name is over here, because in the second TD we have not mentioned any star. So I have to write it over here, or I have to align it these fields also, right? So I will write column span 2. So it will take this column and this column, these 2 columns. Column span means take the 2 columns, space of 2 columns. Column span I write here. For the password it's okay. For this also, call span is equal to 2. For this also, call span is equal to 2. And for this city, call span is equal to 2. Take the space of 2 columns. Call span means call span is equal to space of the 2 columns, right? Okay, this is your message is okay. And here call span is equal to 5. Save. And just write this. This is okay. This is okay, but again this star is causing the problem. What should we do? We should put and DSP. There is an entity and DSP. Okay. So in the last name I will write and NBSP. Okay, this is backspace. This is one space. This is one space. It will create one space, right? It will create one space. So I will just put and NBSP semicolon and NBSP semicolon. And NBSP semicolon and NBSP semicolon and NBSP semicolon. Okay. And NBSP semicolon and NBSP semicolon. Okay, what about the city? City is also it is constant and select option. Select option is and NBSP before the select option, before the select tag, right? Again before the select tag and NBSP. The message, this is okay, and NBSP. So this is an entity and copy and NBSP. There are different entities we will study. Okay, there is a problem. Column span 2. Column span 2. The last language, and I put another and NBSP. I will write and NBSP. That's it. File, save, and here, okay. I put another and NBSP. Now I check file, save. This is now okay aligned, and for this this is password. This is for the password. We should not write anything, right? This is okay. There should be no space. Now I see the output. Password is okay, and just like that you can adjust the settings over here. And now this is mandatory. This is mandatory. This means, this star means these fields are mandatory. And if we change the color, it looks good. If we change, for example, to change the color, what we do? We do font inside a font, and color will be, for example, right, red, and here font. Okay. One star, and in the second star, I will type font color is equal to red, and I close the font inside TD. Inside TD, very important. If you do not close, it will not show anything. And sometimes HTML is not that much strict. You are not writing any tag and it is displaying the thing, but if you go to browser or some validator, HTML validator, it will reject your page. Okay. Okay. Now third thing is this message, right? Font color is equal to red, and the size is equal to, for example, 4, close the form inside the table. Now file, save, and now good. These are 3 star means we have to input these fields. Otherwise, these buttons will not work, or there will be error that password should not be empty. Password should have 6 characters. First name should not be empty, and there should be some message. Okay. So this was our formatting inside the table. Let's put another thing. Okay. One more thing, very important. Border. Border is equal to, let's say, 10. Size of the border, and border color, let's say, blue. And width is equal to 100%. Now the formatting, everything will be visible over here, right? Let's save it again. Refresh. Now it's good, but again the formatting problem over here. In this DD I should write something, LLDSP. Call span is not working. I think call span is not working, otherwise it should take 2 columns. Call span, because we are using Bootstrap and CSS classes. So I have forgotten this. What is the exact? Is it column span or call span? Okay, you can check it on Google. Okay, and write call span. Maybe it is like call span or column span. This attribute call span, right? It means total there are 3 columns and 2 columns. Inside the 2 columns, inside the second 2 columns, there will be last name input box, right? So we saw our file is same, form tag is same, inside form tag, table tag, and inside table tag everything we have written inside the TD. Okay, if these are headings, then we can change TH, we can change TH, we can change first TH and TH. These are titles or headings. Okay, password TH and TH, and remaining you can change very easily. Now first column, in the first column I change, okay, this is first name, last name, password, good, right? But it is centered. TH is centered by default. Okay, right. Now this was our form. You will see the form. Only thing remains is how to click these buttons. How to click these buttons and put some dynamic functionality. We will use JavaScript to do that. Some calculations, some animation we will see in the next lectures. So these tags, you should remember these tags. You have to type everything again. Everything you have to type, and remember the tags, input tags and all that, right? Form tag is very important. Every website has a form, contact form, at least one form, that is contact form. So contact us, it means contact us. And an application, a web application may have hundreds of forms to collect the input. Okay, for example, we have a student record, we have to save the information